Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I am painting a very peaceful beach with watercolor. And before painting I am wetting the paper with water, only the sky area, because I will do there some cloudy sky, peaceful beach, but the sky is little cloudy because a long surface of the sky you can see in the seascape or sea beach painting. The sky is very broad, you can see there, and large. So you can see the clouds, and I'm just want to creating the clouds in my way. This is just one layer. Either you also try clouds in one or two layer, this better, but it is for beginners type watercolor. So I will create the sky just one layer, and I do everything in this one layer sky. And I already show you which color I am using. For the sky I am using cobalt blue, yellow ochre, little burnt sienna, and some paper white. Because the white portion is left, I left paper white to show the white cloud. And after the sky is completely dry, I am using the layer of the sea water. For the water I did not use blue. I am using blue with Verdian hue, little greeny. It's look a better seascape, and sea color, watercolor looks better. Little Verdian green with cobalt blue, and same left some paper weight to show the waves. And very crucial thing is the portion where the water on the sand, where the borderline, this borderline is very crucial. It is little light in color and little color of sand with white, but I did not use white in this color, so I'll do it in paper white with some little sand color. The sand color means yellow ochre and burnt sienna, and I will show little brownie, the wet sand. So I will mix much burnt sienna to create the wet sand, and for dry sand you can use only yellow ochre. So that all, hope you will enjoy it, and beginners please, you can also try it at home and just practicing watercolor. will enjoy the full process. Please watch my full video and thank you. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. I have many videos in my channel you can watch. Thank you. Hello, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoy it, and if you like my video, please subscribe my channel.